Did you know this 1968 Chevrolet C20 Longhorn pickup could haul a camper, turn heads, and still make your neighbor jealous all at the same time? Stay tuned, because this is a vintage truck story you won't believe. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine stepping back into 1968 when bell-bottoms were in style, vinyl records ruled, and Chevrolet was cranking out some of the most unforgettable pickups in history. I believe what we have here is the holy grail for vintage truck lovers. A 1968 Chevrolet C20 Longhorn pickup 4-speed, paired with a Franklin 11 FK6 slide-in camper. And folks, this isn't just a truck. It's a rolling time machine wrapped in white over teal, with all the quirks and charm you could ever hope for. This C20 Longhorn was originally delivered to Joecalled Chevrolet in Waterloo, Iowa, and is one of only 1,902 units produced that year. Under the hood, we find the 396 Ci L66 V8, rebuilt in 2010 with a towing-specific camshaft, honing, new bearings, piston rings, seals, and a freshly rebuilt Holley 2-barrel carburetor. Paired with a new Process 435 4-speed manual transmission and a Dana 60 rear axle with 3.54-to-1 differential, this truck offers pure mechanical delight. Stopping power comes via power-assisted drum brakes, complemented by Firestone Ride-Right rear air springs and a Scranton Manufacturing Cheetah rear axle, perfect for the weight of the Franklin camper. Wheels are 16.5-inch steel with 9.5 times 16.5 Firestone Transforce AT tires, dated 2018, ready to hit the road. The Franklin 11 FK6 camper is a marvel. Originally from Napanee, Indiana, it was refurbished in 2011 and extended 6 inches to perfectly fit the 8.5-foot bed. It features a kitchenette with a sink, 4-burner stove, fridge, compressed air-assisted plumbing, and a 30-gallon freshwater tank. The dinette, overcab bed, swing bunk, lavatory shower, and heater create a compact, cozy home on wheels. I like the most the JL Audio 6-channel Bluetooth system with amp and subwoofer. It made my neighbors question if I had a tiny concert in my backyard. The camper also boasts a Pro Mariner dual-bank battery charger, managing both truck and camper batteries when plugged into shore power. Exterior goodies include a rear ladder, propane and water storage, side mirrors, outdoor speakers, and rooftop marker lights. Back to the truck. The cab was replaced and body repainted with acrylic urethane and clear coat in 2012. Featuring a wood-lined cargo bed, chrome bumpers, a fire-breathing Longhorn hood ornament with propane and CO2 effects, and a push-button AM radio. Inside, bench seating in teal, body-colored dashboard, and 3-spoke steering wheel, front the 100-mile-per-hour speedometer, and 5K RPM tachometer. Hood ornament controls are cleverly integrated into the shift knob. I think the previous owner had a thing for theatrics. This classic C20 Longhorn is offered with manufacturer's literature, Protecto plate, Camper Jackson stands, and a clean Iowa title. Prices are reportedly around $59,990 USD, roughly 55,000 euros. A true collector's bargain considering the craftsmanship and originality.